I'd like to welcome you to the newest version of our Fulcrum handlebar. So first thing you'll notice, comes like this in the box, where we have the upper half and the lower half already pre-assembled at the joint. And then we have, in the box, we have 2 thumb screw levers, we have 2 lock washers and a height adjust lever. So first thing is to remove the handlebar from the machine. And then we want to straighten the assembly. We then take the first of the lock washers and put it on the left-hand side on the threaded shaft here. And we want to make sure that the cables are on the inside of this bracket. So we place the handlebar onto the machine. And we want to make sure that the lock washer is between the handlebar and the bracket here. And then that this threaded shaft is at the lower end of the slot. Once that's in place, take the second washer and the thumb screw and pre-assemble it, but not all the way, so there's still some slack. Then take the height adjust lever and the second thumb screw, and we put it so that the lever is in line with the top here. This puts us in the lower position for the handlebar. So that goes in place, and then we tighten up the second thumb screw. If we tighten that all the way, now the handlebar is in the lower position. We can tidy up the cables. So this comes pre-assembled on the handlebar. So remove, clip on. Find it's neatest if you put it on the lower side, and then same procedure for the second one. There we go. That's the cable in place. And finally, for petrol models, you want to make sure that the pull start comes back up and you rotate it into the holder. That means that now when we're ready to start, we're in the familiar position here. We can move the handlebar like we had on the old machine, but easier to use. So a simple press of the lever moves us to the side, back to straight. When we're in the side position, off to the left, we're now in clearance up against a wall or a hedge. As before, grass bag assembly and disassembly is easy. Got the space here for the stone guard, and space here for your hand as you put it on. So reach on, connect, and disconnect. No reaching through the handle. For the height adjust of the machine, we have this lever that we showed on the assembly. So to change the height, we remove by 1 turn, same by 1 turn. Now we can go up or down. Once we're in the up position, you just simply tighten back up, and now we're in the top position. For storage, petrol models, remove the start cord, and again, same, squeeze the lever, brings us back round into the storage position, and then press again, takes us back up. Because the blade spins in one direction, for safety, we always go off to the left for both the side position and for the storage. The mechanism will move to the right, but there's no stop. So always go to the left. That's the handlebar.
Stiga Garden Care.